So this next tutorial is for the 3-step. Tripped over my own tongue. So this next tutorial is for the 3-count Tcherkessia. Now, a typical Tcherkessia is 4 beats, so it's a step, 2, 3, 4. So for songs that have a 3/4 or a 6/8 time signature, that obviously doesn't work. Again, that can sound very awkward because if you have a bum 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 and you try to do a regular 4-count Tcherkessia to that, it doesn't work. So there is a type of Tcherkessia that is done to those types of songs, like "Dance with Me" by Paul Wilbur. That's the only one I can think of off the top of my head. But basically, it's more of it's a sweeping Tcherkessia is what it is. So this is what it looks like. So if you let the music kind of guide your body with what to do, you're not going to get lost. So if you just let the music guide you, tell you what to do, it'll go a lot easier for you. So this is what it is. So if we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So as you can see, a regular Tcherkessia is a step forward, step back, and then a left step. Now with a sweeping or a 3-count Tcherkessia, it's a little bit different. You didn't see me step back. It was just a step together, step back, and then together. The feet are kind of different, but it's the same idea. So it's just 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's just a right together, left together. And you can see that's a much more fluid movement, much more waltz-like than the regular Tcherkessia. Because choreographers have had to adapt certain moves for certain songs, because otherwise it's not going to work. And that's what a sweeping Tcherkessia is meant to do. Because with 3-beat songs, the moves are there's less moves to choose from. Because most Messianic dance moves are based on the 4/4 time signature. So it's a lot of 4-beat moves that are Messianic dance. This is a dance move that has been tweaked to work with 3-beat songs. Thank you for watching this Tcherkessia dance tutorial video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to put them in the comment section below or send me an email. I would love to hear from you. Now, if there's a Tcherkessia that I have not put into this Tcherkessia series, please let me know. I would love to make a video for you explaining how to do it. And if there's a type of Tcherkessia that I did not put into this Tcherkessia series, please let me know. I want to make sure that you are comfortable on the dance floor with every type of Tcherkessia possible. I want you to be the best that you can be. So thank you for watching, and until next time, go forth in the dance.